What's up, guys? Just got this handheld tire inflator in. Let's check it out. 100 psi cordless air pump. Oh, sweet little carrying case. Let's go. All right, looks nice. I like the weight. Heavy duty. We got some accessories. What do we got here? We got a charger cord. Bunch of different adapters. Looks like bicycle tires, car tires. Look, adapters, charger so you can charge it in your car in case you just used it, need to charge it up. That's going to be the adapter for your car tires right there. Air nozzles, bicycle tire adapter. Nice. Let's give it a little test out. Do a quick run through of the manual. Yo, just the other day I had a tow in. Came in, got to a couple days later when parts came in, had a flat tire. Well, my parking lot's all the way out here. I do have a portable, air tank. Got to fill it up in there, bring it out, fill up the tire. No big deal. Well, I gotta say, this is gonna be a lot handier. It's also gonna come with me to the beach to inflate some stuff and use it for that too. All right, let's give her a test run. You're just gonna hold that M button down until it lights up. Bam. So we got our PSI right there. That's what mode we're on. If you want to switch modes, just hold down this button and it'll switch. All right, back to PSI, and we can increase our PSI. It'll automatically stop. I just gave the user manual a once over. Let's say we want to set it to 40 PSI. There we go, we're on 40 PSI. Take our valve stem cap off. Now this cord right here plugs in. Then you just plug in the adapter you want. We got the one for the valve stem for tires. Clip it down. Now it's locked in place. It shows we have 32 PSI in this tire. We're gonna hit the M button to start filling. Alright, we're up to 35 PSI now. I don't want my truck tire to be up to 40 because it doesn't take 40, it takes 35. Bada boom. We're done here. Works pretty good. I like it. Put our cap back on. Of course, if you get a flat tire and you got this in your car and say the battery's not charged, you got the cigarette lighter, just turn your car on, let it charge up. All right, we're gonna hold the M button again to power her off. We're only at 1 bar of power. I need to charge it up. I just took it out of the box, so it came with some juice. But time to put her on the charger, get a full charge on this bad boy. See, my property goes way back out there. We got some cars out there too. So next time I'll just bring this out and set it to the PSI I want. Walk away for a little while. All right, we got her on the charging station. Little C charger to my power strip. This is my messy charging station for my Altel scanner, my power jump box, my portable Bluetooth speaker. I know, it's a mess, it's a mess. I don't care. We're gonna screw our main adapter in, boom, to here. Just screws in real nice and easy. Then Any of our adapters are gonna thread right into here for inflating footballs, basketballs, whatever. This is probably the one I'm gonna use on the beach for inflating floaties. We got a skinnier one here. That's about all there is to it, guys. It's got a nice little feature too. Little built-in flashlight. Hold your flashlight button. Boom, flashlight. Click it again. You got a flashing red light. Put on your car if it broke down or something. Hold the button, shuts the flashlight off. And that's about all there is to show on this thing. Simple. I love that I can just set it and forget it for the PSI. That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'm gonna get back to work. Jamie is too.